Giving Thanks, Estate Planning Stories, Episode 2, Break the Cycle. But before we begin, please be sure to like our Facebook page to receive notifications when we post new videos, DIY tips, in-person events, and so on. So here is our scenario. Let's say we have Grandma and Grandpa. Grandpa dies first, and Grandma starts forgetting things. Her health declines quickly, and daughter takes her to the doctor to find out that she is starting to develop a mental condition. The doctor says that it's probably too late for the grandma to get an estate plan in place, so the only alternative is going through a guardianship proceeding that would allow daughter to access grandma's bank accounts, pay her bills, make medical decisions, and so on. So daughter now has to likely hire an attorney, go in front of a judge, present the medical records, and ask the judge to appoint her as guardian. As you can imagine, that's expensive, it's time-consuming, and probably the last thing daughter needs to do right now. Seeing your mom in this situation is bad enough. What could be even worse is not knowing what mom would have wanted, not knowing mom's wishes about her medical decisions, about her financial situation, and also not finding any of these assets. It is really hard, as we talked about in our first video, to locate assets when there is no list, when people don't talk about these things and try to locate them and spend them according to their wishes. So don't be that person. Make sure you have a plan in place. On a more positive note, after dealing with her dad and with her mom being in this situation, daughter decides to sit down with an attorney and put her affairs in order. She does not want her kids to go through what she's going through right now with mom, and she wants everything to run as smoothly as possible. Should she become incapacitated, should she become unable to make decisions, or when she dies. She has decided to break the cycle. Even if they don't realize it now, mom's kids are going to be so grateful, are going to give thanks to their parents for putting something in writing, for making it easy for them to deal with the situation, focusing on their parents' well-being, focusing on their own grief if needed, and not trying to run around and figure out what they had and how to spend it. I hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. Please share it with your family. Please break the cycle. Even if your parents, your grandparents are not the type of people to talk about these things or to put something in writing, you be the first one to do it, because it's much easier to deal with when something happens than to try and figure out at that time where to go. Thank you for watching.